This is the process of instrument sterilization. First, make sure you have on all your PPE. Then you place all the instruments into the cassette. Make sure the cassette is sealed tight and wrap in blue paper. Then you transport it to sterilization. Once you are in sterilization, unwrap the cassette and place in the instrument washer. Place the plug in the drain. Press the power button. The washer will fill with water and it heats up. After the water has filled the instrument washer, press the start button. While the water is washing the instruments, throw away the blue paper. After the instruments are done washing, pull them out of the washer and place on a blue towel. Come back to the washer and pull the plug out for draining. Push the drain button. Now go and dry your instruments. Make sure there are no broken pieces and dry them individually. Make sure to add a sterilization strip before closing and close it tight. Now wash your gloves. Washing your utility gloves. Dry them. And place them to the side to continue drying. Perform hand hygiene. And put on a pair of exam gloves. And take the cassette over to the blue paper to be wrapped for sterilization. Make sure that the cassette is completely covered with the blue paper. And use autoclave tape. Initial and date. Now we are going to show you how to use the Lisa. This is for hand pieces and burrs only. Take the hand piece or burr and place it into the Lisa. Close the door. going to add distilled water to it on the left side. And turn the unit on. To drain the Lisa, you need to have a hose and a bucket. And you place the hose into the gray side. Once the Lisa has finished draining, you unplug it by pushing the gray button. Take the hose out. And you dispose of the dirty water in the sink. After wrapping in blue paper, take over to the ultraclave. Make sure the package is in there flat. Check your water level, and if it is in red, add distilled water. Make sure your door is secure. Press the PAX button and then start. With orange gloves on, take out your package. And drain your water into a bucket. Once the water is drained, replace the tube. Close the door, make sure it's shut securely, and empty your water into the sink. Now we're going to look at the Statum. Before you use the Statum, you need to check the external water unit and make sure it has no water in it. To add water, you add distilled water here. You're going to place hand pieces into this, lay them flat, add the lid, close it, put it in the Statum, and make sure it clicks. Then you're going to push the pouches button and the start button. Once it is finished, the instruments are sterile now. Pull them out. And place them in the clean area. To drain water from the Statum, you must pull the plug out and drain it into the bucket. Put the plug back in and dispose of the water in the sink.